Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Toyota Camry in Forza Horizon 5. The Toyota Camry is a highly sought-after vehicle, often appearing as a rare reward. Your primary methods for acquiring this car are through the in-game auction house or by participating in the festival playlist. Let's dive into how you can add this fantastic car to your garage. The auction house is a great place to find rare cars like the Camry. You'll need to check frequently, as listings can appear and disappear quickly. When you find one, be prepared to bid against other players. It's wise to have a good amount of credits saved up, perhaps around $1,000,000 credits to secure your purchase. Another excellent way to get the Camry is through the festival playlist. This updates weekly with new challenges and rewards. Keep an eye on the seasonal rewards, as the Camry has been featured before and could return. Completing enough challenges to reach the reward tiers is crucial for unlocking these exclusive vehicles. To boost your chances, consider joining online Forza communities. Players sometimes trade or sell cars there. Always keep a healthy balance of in-game credits, perhaps $2,000,000 ready for a quick auction house purchase. Remember, patience is key when hunting for rare cars. Keep trying, and you'll eventually add the Toyota Camry to your collection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.